In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to edit and resend a sent WhatsApp message without deleting and resending the entire message again. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 16 device, but if you have an older version of Android, not a problem. This is going to work for you also. So the first thing is get hold of your Android phone and then open WhatsApp. So say supposing you want to send a message to your friend. Okay, I'll just send a message. Say you want to include something else over here. You could just long press on the message, click on the menu, and then you have an option to edit. Click on edit and then you could edit the message out here. Edit the message and you could resend. You could see that the text for that message has changed. Now you will not have to delete this entire message and resend a new message. You have this edit option on WhatsApp. The moment you send a message, you have 15 minutes to edit and resend that message. After 15 minutes, it is the same old thing. You have to delete the entire message and retype and resend the message. I hope this helps and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.